You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to add an email account to the Mail app on your iPhone. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or adding another account, here's how to do it step by step. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you see Mail. Tap on it, then go to Accounts. From there, tap Add Account. You'll see a list of popular email providers like iCloud, Google, Yahoo, and others. Choose the one your email is with or select Other if it's a custom email provider. After that, you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Once you do, just follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. You might be prompted to allow access to things like contacts or calendars, depending on the provider. Then you'll have the option to choose what data you want to sync: mail, contacts, calendars, notes. You can turn each one on or off based on what you need. Finally, tap Save, and the account will be added to your iPhone's Mail app. Open the Mail app, and you'll now be able to view and manage emails from that account just like any other. Thanks for watching. If this helped you set up your email, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more easy iPhone tips. See you later.